soundtrack of Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves, here's Taufik with Bryan Adams. Everything I do it for you.
Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Search your heart, search your soul. When you find me there, you won't search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. You can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. There's no love like your love, and no other could give more love. There's nowhere unless you're there all the time and all the way. Yeah. No, it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you. Thank you.
Well, you obviously did that to please your mother, but it didn't really please me. It lacked a rock attitude. I felt it was a little bit, didn't quite excite.
Okay,
And it's not you. I think it's not you.
I was just trying to give it a different touch, different way to present the song. Thanks.
Taufik, I think you're a good singer, but not a great singer. But you do have a very open, sincere personality, and I think that's won over some fans for you.
Thank you.
You obviously can sing, Taufik, but that was a very bland performance as far as I'm concerned.
Thank you.
I didn't think it was that bad. I didn't think it was that bad. But I think you have to change your movement a bit because you're doing the same thing but slow motion compared to the last.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you, guys.
Taufik, come on over here. Taufik, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, dude? Oh, there we go, the camera here. Okay, how you feeling, man?
Nervous, actually.
Yeah, I'm sure the stakes are higher, man. But this is interesting. 3 judges said no, but Ken said not too bad. It's very rare.
Thank you very much.
It's confused me, totally. But if you at home are not very confused and you are focused that Taufik should stay in the competition, then vote. Call 1-900-112-1905 or text the number 5 to 43657 when the lines open. Okay? Thanks very much, Taufik. Okay.